All right, everyone, there's an imminent move coming to the BTC chart. We're going to go over that in today's video, as well as a possible entry for this move. I think it's setting up quite nicely. We're going to go over the wave structure and what is to come for BTC as well as Ethereum. It's looking really, really good to me, guys. You're not going to want to miss this one. Before we get started, drop a follow over on Instagram. Let's connect on more of a personal level. The link's pinned right there in the first comment down below. There's 2,000-3,000 of you guys that watch this video. Drop a follow on Instagram. Guys, this is how I transformed my life. That's what this content is going to be geared towards over on Instagram. If you don't know, I was a piece of shit, alcoholic, drunk, party animal, and I implemented certain things into my life to be able to transform the way I think and who I am as a person. I'm going to be detailing all that stuff over here on the Instagram, trying to keep it separate from the trading content because I think trading content just deserves to be focused on itself alone. Drop a follow on over on Instagram. Also, if you're new to Elliott Wave Theory, guys, there's a free boot camp in the Discord. That is free Discord, pinned in the first comment down below. There's a 3-hour long video module boot camp. If you want to learn Elliott, right there's the way to do it, as well as all this other learning material available for you. I don't want any excuses on you not learning this stuff. All right, zooming out real quick on the BTC chart. So we're going to hit BTC and ETH. Both these charts are looking nice. I'm going to make it make sense to you. Overall, big picture, I have a 1-2 into a 3 right here. Looking to correct out for 4 and then up into 5, right? That's my overall, I'm still waiting on this final push to the upside. I don't think it's coming quite yet. But I do think an up move is coming on the chart for BTC. So cranking back down on this in the hourly time frame. What I'm seeing here, guys, this corrective wave right here, it just took way too long in time. I mean, back in here, I was saying it was taking too long in time for it to be a 1-2 into a big time 3-4-5 to the upside. And it looks more like we're going to put in an ABC correction to the upside. And this is the B leg of said correction. Now, how I'm counting this is a WXYXZ. It's the cleanest count I can come up with. We have a correction down, W, correction up, X, correction down, Y, correction up, X, correction down, Z. Finished. Putting in lower lows, boom, boom, done. And now we're going to start our ascent to the upside. Would have loved for this to come down a little lower, guys. I really would have. But it's no problem calling it a WXYXZ. And what I'm targeting here is essentially a move back up towards all-time high. Essentially, it's going to be 15 to 17% of an up move here. And we can even slightly break all-time high. There's no problem with breaking all-time high. But what we're going to be putting in my opinion, is a flat where we have a correction down. We're going to start an impulsive wave correction to the upside. And I'm going to show you a nice spot that I think is going to be setting up perfect here to get in on this long if you resonate with this idea. So stick with me, guys. Comes up to the high, slightly breaks the high even, and then we impulse to the downside, putting in a flat like so. For our wave 4, really come take out, this liquidity under here in a serious way. Look pretty dumpy, but catch and really, really go up for our final leg. It's what I'm seeing on the charts right now. Either way, looking at an up move here. And, at the bare minimum, guys, I would be looking at maybe, let me clear some of this. Some kind of flat right here where we're flatting up and then going to hit down right here. This is another possible count I'm entertaining. Not a huge fan of this for a couple different reasons. But either way, still looking at an up move into this zone here and then coming down here before heading up towards all-time high. It's going to take a little more time to play out, that's all. This is another very live count. It's one or the other for me right now. The way I'm seeing this shake out. If we get some kind of reversal here, I would be looking at this as a flat. But at that point, it's like, okay, what is all this junk? Do we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal situation? Is that what we have? It doesn't really channel nicely. It's just it looks ugly. More of a fan of the WXYXZ. Let's pump up out of here. Let's get up to all-time high, and then let's come down for a flat. Or we have a correction down right there, correction up here, and then come down for a flat here, and then get hit with this wave, and then come down, right? Either way, I'm favoring higher prices here. I'm going to show you where to get in on this in 1 second. Let's just switch over to ETH before we do that. And guys, as always, if you want to stay up to date with the smaller time frame stuff with my trades as I'm getting into them, we do live streams, much more. Just head on over in the free Discord. Just click upgrade here. There's a 4-day free trial of the premium Discord. Just click the link right there. There's also a direct link pinned in the first comment down below to get access to the premium Discord. Again, 4-day free trial is included. And the exchange that we trade on, that I trade on, is Blowfin. They are no KYC. They're the best no KYC exchange out right now. That is also pinned in the first comment down below for Blowfin. And you know I hook you up with the best deposit bonus, the best new user bonus I could possibly get for you guys. So if you use that link, you get 10% of a deposit bonus on your deposits, and then you also get up to $9,400 in trading volume bonuses in addition to the already existing new user bonus. So take advantage of that right now. I think this goes to February 22nd, so you got a couple days to take advantage of that before it runs out. Click the link pinned in the first comment down below. Let's head on over to ETH. So for Ethereum, the way I'm looking at it, now keep in mind, looking for a roughly 15% move to the upside on BTC. Now for Ethereum, how I'm counting this is a WXYXZ right here. Boom, boom. And we are in the middle of, we just put in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal, in which it looks like we had just corrected here. And we are putting in a 1, 2 of another 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Just really putting in an ABC like this. Boom, boom, boom. So we have a, let me actually put this in. We got WXYXZ right here, guys. That finished. And it differs from BTC, where Ethereum started an uptrend here, where BTC essentially kept coming to the downside like that, right? So BTC's WXYXZ was this whole thing. Ethereum's finished right here. Looking for another corrective wave to the upside. And then we can put in a flat for Ethereum as well and come down in here. Really, it's going to look like this. A, B, C. And then it's off to the races, guys. Then it's off to the races. And with a move like this on Ethereum, same thing. You get about a 15% move to the upside. You get about a 20% dump, which is exactly what we're looking for on BTC. If we dump from all-time high, take out liquidity down here at around 88, 90K, it's about 20%, right? So the percentages jive, and then absolute pump city for Ethereum. So I don't think the pump is coming quite yet. It can. I don't hate you for holding on to longs here and hoping that you get a pump because you don't want to miss it. I don't blame you for that. Or offloading some of your longs here and holding the rest. But if I have a gun to my head, I'm saying we're gonna flat, and then we're gonna go. We're gonna come down here still. So what's looking good to me right now, guys? Let's go smaller time frame on BTC. And what I am really curious, you know, I see an impulsive wave from the bottom here at 93.3K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 5 right there. And that could be our correction right there, guys. We could be going off to the races right now. We could be. What I would be watching out for is a flat correction here and a deeper correction down in here. Down in here. And then we're off to the races. I'm going to really be looking long right here around 94.5K. Again, guys, serious potential that this can be the correction right there and we're done and it's off to the races right now. I'm not saying that we can't. I really don't want to come up and break this high. I don't want to come up and break this high. That's going to kind of invalidate things for at least this count to the downside, and I would be expecting, you know, if the high breaks, maybe a little retrace and then continuation, right? So more immediately, I am looking at an ABC shape like so, right into here, around 94.5 to 94.7K, and then I will be looking long. Discord will be looking long. Pop into the free Discord. Pop into the premium Discord. You got 4-day free trial. Come hop into some trades with us, see how you like it. Trade safe, everyone. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Love you. Bye.